is my favorite way to turn a regular cucumber into something actually exciting. All you need is stuff that you probably have in your pantry and 10 minutes of your time. Add all of the good stuff into a container and give them a mix so they are combined. Next, cut the cucumber into thick slices. This ain't no time for thin cutting flakes. Toss the cucumbers in. Top it with sugar, chili flakes and sesame seeds for that perfect balance. There is no need to cover them fully. They will release water on their own. Mix them well so they are coated in that wonderful marinade. And this is whole cooking process. Treat them like a salad and eat it right away, or give it some time and let it soak those delicious flavors. Both ways are great. Remember to don't eat all of them by yourself. Bye.